Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. March 2017. I was standing here in Silicon Valley talking about getting out of my comfort zone. In that moment, I thought it was a great topic. But the story I told doesn't even compare to what I experienced a few months ago. In September, Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Maria, both Category 5, destroyed my beautiful island, Puerto Rico. Could you imagine yourselves 6 months without power or 3 months without water? I couldn't either until these hurricanes. It sounds far away or fiction, but the reality is that 6 months later, there are still people on my island, my people, that don't have the basic needs. I became so frustrated because I didn't have a solution for this chaos. Long-term planning was replaced by short-term survival. Instead of waking up to check my email every day, I woke up checking whether or not I had power, water, or enough food to make it to the next day. In Puerto Rico, we import a lot of things and almost all of our food. So you can imagine how difficult it was to find something to eat. I started eating things that I had never tasted before, like military MRE, but that was all we had, and I was grateful. Could you imagine everyone running out of their houses because it's raining, and that's the only chance that they have to take a shower? We started being grateful for things that we took for granted. Definitely, it was less painful thanks to, because of the things that people were sending to us, like batteries, candles, solar lights. In that moment, the smallest things, such as sharing a bottle of water, a book, helping an elder to carry supplies, or even inviting someone to play a board game in the dark, became a life-changing experience. I didn't even have cash or gas. ATMs were not working. And to get gas, you had to be in line for more than 8 hours. Sadly, that was nothing compared to all the lives lost, not because of the hurricanes, but because of the lack of electricity or other needs after it. 100,000 people left the island, and it's expected that we are going to lose 13% of our population in the next 2 years. I don't blame any of them, but I do compromise myself to work hard to create environments so more people that don't want to leave can stay, and those who want to come back can do it. I cannot do it alone. It needs to be a sum of small efforts that transcend generations. We need to grow again, but this time stronger and as sustainable as possible. There is a great responsibility in the shoulders of my generation, and I am proud that these movements already started. In Idea Platform, our student organization, and the University of Puerto Rico Mayagüez e-ship network, which is composed of professors and administration, and the University Innovation Fellows, we are focusing on innovation and entrepreneurship as the solution to our challenges. We are promoting the creation of new businesses and jobs, as well as the strengthening of existing ones. Since our campus job fair was canceled, we organized and started a job fair in which both students and startups benefited. We are running an entrepreneurs program for students that are starting their businesses. And on top of that, we are creating multiple proposals to reconstruct, construct, or renew innovation spaces at our campus. Yes, we were frustrated at first, but now we are empowered to rebuild everything in a better way. Our way. Our way. We bet that the sum of small efforts of all sectors will be what makes Puerto Rico rise again. So how may we get involved in small efforts that can make us resilient even during catastrophes?